Hello and welcome back. Today we will start our new chapter, chapter number 2, nutrition in animals. In previous video I have explained you about nutrition in plants, that how plants prepare their food, what are the different modes of their food intake. In this chapter we will discuss about the nutrition in animals, that what are the modes of their food intake and how they utilize their food for performing different body functions. So first of all, see here, animals directly or indirectly depends upon plants for their food. Means plants are the basic or main source of food for animals. Okay, some of the animals directly depend on plants for their food, whereas some other animals indirectly depend on plants for their food. So the animals who directly depend on plants for their food are herbivore, and the animals who are indirectly depend on plant for their food are carnivore. Okay, next up, see, modes of intake of food varies in organism. Okay, as in chapter number 1, nutrition in plants, I have told you that there are two basic mode of food intake for plants, which are autotrophs and heterotrophs. But in animals there are various modes of food intake. Okay, see here, first bees. Okay, bees sucks nectar. How bees intake their food? They used to suck the nectar. Nectar, what are nectar? Nectars are the sweet juice of fruits. Next is snake. Okay, snake swallows animals. Okay, how snake intake their food? They directly swallow up their food. Next is infants. Infants depends on mother's milk. Okay, infants of human beings, cows, cows, cat, dog. Okay, they depends on their mother's milk. Okay, next, aquatic creatures or aquatic organism. Tiny food particles floating nearby. Okay, how they intake their food? They intake their food by what type of food? Tiny food particles. Okay, they intake tiny food particles which used to float nearby them.